Hi, welcome to episode 2 of the Teacher Tech Revolution podcast, the podcast to expand your knowledge on the use of technology in the classroom. And my name is William Parker, your host for this adventure. In this episode, we're going to really look at how to use Edpuzzle in the classroom, and more specifically on how to set it up for teachers to use. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on Teacher Start Now. Okay, then we go into your login screen at the top where you select Teacher. Now you can use your Edmodo account or your Google account that you may already have to log in as a teacher. The school district that I work with, we are Google School, so let me go ahead and sign in with my Gmail account for my school. And so first thing you'll come up to are your classes, or where you can put all your kids in for your students. And so for me, the first thing I did was I imported my class from Google Classroom, which is super easy as well. And so if you just click on a class you want to import, so I'll import another class over. We'll go with my world history class that I have this semester, and I'll hit import. And so what it's doing is it's connecting to your Google Classroom that you've set up already, and it's bringing over all those names using their Gmail accounts that they have with the school. Now you can also add a class by itself. So we'll add test class for us to use. And so we'll assign kids, we'll invite our students over. So it gives you your code, or you can give a link that you can put on your Google Classroom, your Twitter, or you can email out to all your students. So there's multiple ways for us to be able to get our students inside of our class, which gives us the great data that we can look at with our students. We have learned how to set up our classes inside Edpuzzle. Now let's look at how to look for content that we may want to add for our classes. So at my school, we can look up through different teachers already at my school that have already created content that I could use itself. But then there's also our Edpuzzle site that are videos that already are done inside of Edpuzzle, where they've done the questions, they clipped the videos, they made it personalized for their classrooms. Then we have open videos that we can use, such as from YouTube, Khan Academy, National Geographic, TED Talks. But typically, if you want to just do a quick lesson, a quick search, so we'll search for hurricanes. Okay, so it looks like there are quite a few videos already for hurricanes, and some that are clipped already, which have the red dot on it with the scissors, and the ones that have questions are the ones that have the green. So there's multiple ones that we could choose from. So let's just click one that is already done for us so we can take a look at it. Okay, so this video, you can test it out by hitting play.
All about hurricanes.
And it will let you go to the question, and the question
in the Eastern Pacific,
will pop up. So it's a multiple choice question. It's an easy question they can go through. But the fact is, with Edpuzzle, you can set it up to where they cannot go further into the video until they click an answer and hit continue, which is great to make sure they are paying attention, and also great to make sure you're checking the understanding of what they're watching inside of class. So I like this video. We can keep going.
To November 30th.
I like what I see so far. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this video inside my test class. So I'm going to hit use it. I'm going to hit finish. And then I'm going to add it to my test class. And see, I've got it up here where I can prevent the skipping of the questions. And then I can put a due date up there. The due date just gives you a little bit more push on when when the students need to get it done by. So we can make sure that it's done by that time in class so we can talk about it. And after that, if it's past the due date, it won't let them do it. So I'm going to hit assign. So bam, your first video is done for your class. Thank you for joining me on episode 2 of the Teacher Tech Revolution podcast. Please subscribe to my channel so you know when the latest episode comes out.